Friends, now the next topic is India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. Central location you know na? The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connects the countries of Europe in the western side and the countries of the eastern side. No other countries has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it. You know na, coastal line is much more compared to the other countries. You know why we call Indian Ocean? The Indian Ocean is called so because it surrounds Indian subcontinent. Probably in the ancient times, sea vessels coming India for trade sailed through those waters to visit India, and that is why they named it Indian Ocean. India's contact with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older. Means many traders come to India and China's by the land routes. India's remain busy in the exchange of ideas and commodities means goods since time immemorial. Immemorial means as the ancient times. India's contacts with West Asia, East Asia, Central and South Asia are now the northwardly. When Buddhists traveled from India to Tibet, China as far as Japan, Korean Peninsula, that time Upanishads, the Indian numeral and the decimal system reached many parts of the world. As a result of these contacts, India has trade relations with many countries. One of the famous land routes was connected to the famous Silk Route of China. In the present time, you know now, present time this route is a Silk Route. In the ancient time we know as a Silk Route, but in the present time know the Nathula Pass. You know na Nathula Pass? Now this route as a famous as in the ancient time, this route as a famous as a Silk Route. India has trade relations with Southeast Asian countries like Java, Cambodia, Sumatra, Bali, Sri Lanka, Burma, etc. Yes. So students, this topic is complete. Now the next topic is India's neighbors. In the present time, India has 28 states and 9 union territories. And Pakistan and Afghanistan lies in the northwest. China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan lies in the north side, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the eastern side. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait. It's called this is now connected to India is called the Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. While Maldives Island are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Islands. You know the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar? So the Port Blair is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Kavaratti is capital of the Lakshadweep Island. And the area-wise smallest state in our country is the area-wise smallest state is in the present time in Goa, and the largest state is Rajasthan. Thank you students, your chapter is over.